Branch here in Clayton, North Carolina. This community is built by one of our most sought builders, Mungo Homes. This community runs from the middle 300,000s to the middle 400,000s. This community offers single family, townhouses, and cottage homes. One thing I love about the community is the quality that comes inside of the homes. Mungo Homes does an amazing job giving quality and also giving quality at an affordable price. Come in, let's take a look at the quality that Mungo Home offers. Area, of course. We have our island here, oversized island made out of quartz. We have our sink, deep sink here. We are in our kitchen area. Gas stove. We have our double oven. Chef's kitchen. We have our GE appliances. We have our pantry area, oversized pantry. We have a mudroom, bathroom. Take a look. What I love about this home is the master's bedroom. Come in, take a look. There's so much space. Just look. We have a glass shower, double sink. Look at all of the space that the sink offers. We have our linen closet. We also have another spacious linen closet. This could be like an office area. Right when you walk in, you're greeted with an area that could be turned into a mini office space. And then here is the amazing master's suite. Closet is what sells the home. Look at this. Then, with the convenience of your laundry room just right here. So no bringing laundry downstairs. It's right after you wear your clothes in the closet, you can step right in the laundry room and put your clothes in the laundry. So the master suite offers space and convenience.